Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I wish I was seeing your faces this morning. I just wanted to make sure you understand what our goal is today. So once you've logged into Imagine Math, okay, this is going to be your dashboard or your home screen. I have added a new pathway for you specific to third grade math. So see right here, third grade math. So you will make sure that that has the blue dot next to it and then press start. Okay, so there's only, I think, 4 lessons in there, 5 lessons that are specific to what we've been working on, representing with that multiplication and a little bit of solving. And so you may need a piece of paper and a pencil, but a lot of it is going to be looking at those different representations that y'all have been doing such a great job using and creating, generating, all of that. So make sure that is clicked right here. This is what I want you to complete this morning. Okay, select that, click start, and get after it. I will put up some science, and so be looking for that assignment as well. And I hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving break, and we will see you super soon. Thanks.